I remember my education professor telling me that average students become great when teachers intervene at the right time. But knowing when to intervene requires specific insights into learning behaviors and a map of students' knowledge base. In a whole class setting, that's rather difficult, but only until now. mySecondTeacher gives me specific and overall insights into learning behavior of individual students and entire classes. I get to see the mastery reports of specific subjects and topics for individual students as well as the entire class. This way, I know exactly which students need more help, what topics students find tricky, and generally who's been studying and who hasn't. With these insights, I know when to intervene, who requires intervention, and what type of intervention is required. I honestly feel like a 21st century teacher now. mySecondTeacher, the future of learning.